desires. So there's no need for change. Whatever you desire, whatever you wish is there. And this is the point where non-Muslims like to raise the issue for women. The men are getting all these things. Women, Hoor al-Ain, and what are you women getting? You're cheated. They're just cheating you. This is the story they always like to bring up. Right? Paradise is really for men. It's a man's world kind of thing. But it is only Allah speaking about the women of paradise for men who are desirous of polygamy, which they cannot achieve in this world. Or they enjoy it in this world, and it's greater in that world. Okay. Women who by nature are monogamous. So to talk about polygamy in paradise, it loses its meaning because it is not their nature in this world as a basic principle. But Allah does talk about the young men of paradise also. It doesn't put it out as, okay, so women, you also have young men of paradise. But it's just meant, they're mentioned. And the reality is, of course, as Allah said, whatever you desire. So if it is that a woman desires young men of paradise, then she gets them. Just like the men get the women. It's no difference because everybody will be equal. In that circumstance there's no issue of, الرجال قوامون على النساء. That ends here in this world. Men are responsible for women. No, in paradise there's no responsibility. It ends. So the true equality, which people like to talk about in this world, which can never happen. No matter what they do, it doesn't happen. It can't happen. It will happen there. And one of the things to note too is that, because in this world, because there are different levels, different people receiving different things in paradise. One, in this world, whenever you see somebody with something else, what do you feel like, I'd like to have some of that. I'd like to have some of that too, and some of this, and you feel some kind of jealousy because you don't have. But the point is that in paradise, whatever you desire, you have. So there's no looking at anybody else and saying, "Oh, I don't have to have some of that." It's not there, finished, ended. So what happens is that whatever level you are in paradise, everybody will feel they're getting everything they want. So you won't feel like, okay, there's some people higher. No, in fact, there are. There will be. But you won't feel like you're lower. It's just like the Prophet ﷺ had said about Abu Talib, that in the hellfire, though he is receiving the lightest punishment, his brains will be boiling from his sandals or from the hellfire. And he will think, the Prophet ﷺ said, that he is receiving the most severe punishment of anyone in the hellfire, though his is the lightest. But that's how he'll feel.